Here's Kabalevsky, the top of page 2 for phrasing. So you've got this thing. I put arrows in, and those are the notes that you're going to. So all the notes before those should be gradually gaining intensity. Then you arrive at the arrow note, and then the notes after that come away. Let's do it. We're going to do it with separate bows. You can leave the tie in on the D, but do separate bows and just do first position, just so we can practice what that looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And taper. I mean, that's a total exaggeration about the phrasing, but that's it. Let's do it again. Ready? 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now let's do it in first position, but with the bowing that's written in. Ready? 1. Actually, since I'll say this, I think I started too close to the frog. Because this note you want to be at the tip, but all those notes before you don't really want to. You don't want to gain too much in intensity because that's too early in the phrase. Ready? And stay at the tip. So I would say the very first bow needs. I wrote middle, but it's sort of balance point-ish, because you don't really need a whole bow on that first one. Then that next up bow is going to really gain a lot of intensity so that you can be right at the frog for the arrow note, the C. And then the very last bow, just stay up at the upper half. Let's try that again. Ready? Oops, I did it wrong. Again, I'm starting at the frog. Ready? Here we go. Now, let's do it with the fingering that's in there. Ready? And vibrato-wise, right here, you want to gain intensity. Let's just practice that note. So it starts with a little vibrato, and the vibrato gets bigger and faster at the end. We're starting on the first up bow or the second bow. Ready? So it's both a crescendo and a gaining in intensity of vibrato speed. Ready? And then gentle. Let's do the whole thing again. Ready? Starting at the balance point. Same thing next time. Ready? The only thing that's different is that last note. Well, I mean, the last few notes are different, but anyway, I meant the only different bow is the last note. Okay, so then the next one, let's do the next phrase. We can play it in third position, that's not hard, but let's do the thing where we take out the slurs. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, 1. Sorry, I played a wrong note. And you have to lose intensity. So let's try it again. Ready? This one's a little tricky because it already starts forte. You just can't make it your most intense forte ever, otherwise you have no place to go. So try that again. So it's, just a healthy, strong. Here we go. And then come away. Now let's do it with the slur. Ready? I'll tell you, the bowing works really well in there because if you look at it, the first down bow, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you have 6 beats. You're not going to be able to be your most intense on slurring 6 beats into that. And then all of a sudden you have... So the increase in the bow speed, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. You'll have to play faster on that up bow. That'll help you go into your your arrival note. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, diminuendo. Only go to your balance point. Just like the beginning. Okay, and then you're on to something else.